All right, hello friends. Welcome to this session. We are going to practice one that is pretty famous. It was made famous by Tony Robbins. It's called priming. I've also heard this referred to as the energy or energetic breath by Michal Bilker of the Yoga Lab, whose course is also excellent. It's the same thing. It's essentially a variation of a technique I'll teach you later in the course, but it's been used by Tony Robbins in a lot of his workshops, and actually my yoga teacher also taught it to me, so it's clear where Tony Robbins got it from. And I think he even says that he got it when he went to India. So it's very simple. We're going to breathe strongly and forcefully through the nose, in and out through the nose. And as we inhale, we're going to reach our hands up and imagine you are grabbing the energy from the universe, and as you exhale, you're going to pull it in towards you. Very simple movement. All right? Before we do that, let's just get settled. Find your seat. Close your eyes. Do your body checks that you're getting used to doing now. Feel your sit bones grounded, pulled down into the mat. And take a big inhaling breath. And use that to straighten your spine, drop your shoulders. And as you exhale, relax and keep that straightness in the spine. And just arrive immediately. Doing a scan from the crown of your head, through your forehead, your face, your awareness of your body parts acting as a relaxing wave down through your jaw, your neck and your shoulders, your arms, down through your lower back, your hips and your thighs, relaxing them, relaxing your belly as well. And just connect with your breath. Tracking your breathing through the nose. Observing the expansion of your whole breathing system. Belly expanding and contracting. Your chest moving in 3 directions. And place your awareness on the back of your chest. And watch that area as you inhale and exhale. Feel the lungs in your back expand and contract. Very good. Now watch me, I'll show you real quick how we're going to do it. Arms up at the inhale. Forceful exhale. Just like that. If you're ready, you may close your eyes. We're going to do 30 of these. Everyone inhale once together. Exhale completely. And let's begin. Close down the eyes, relax your arms. And observe what's happening. You may feel a little energy moving. You may feel a slight tingling, and that's all good. It's all right. Just watch what's happening in your body. Watch what's happening in your minds. And simply feel. To prepare for the next round. This time we'll do 40 if you feel good. If you feel you want to stop first before 40, then just stop and come back to your normal breath awareness. Everyone else, that's in. Everyone take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. And let's begin. Resume your normal breathing. Relax your hands on your thighs or knees. And float along with your sensations. Access the state of pure being. You are beyond the physical, but you can experience the beyond through the physical. Observing the physical sensations, whatever it is. Finding your awareness to observe the subtle variations, tingling, pressure, realizing that it's all fine what's happening now. All you have is happening. Let's get ready for a third and final rounds of 50 breaths. Again, if it's too much for you, you can stop at any time. If you feel good, let's go for 50. Everyone inhale together. Exhale all the way out. Here we go. Normal breathing, relaxing the arms, relaxing the body, spine is still straight. Checking in again with your body and just observing, feeling. Feel a little bit lightheaded, and that's all good. Open your eyes, and that was what is called priming. So I invite you to keep sitting a moment longer. Take it easy. Don't get up too fast. Don't go out and run a marathon right now. Just take it easy for a few more moments before you go back about your day. And hope you enjoyed the session, and I'll see you here for the next one. Wish you peace and happiness and a great day ahead.